You have the best of both worlds with this adorable 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, just minutes away from the shopping and beautiful beaches of Frederiksted. The fully solar home sits on over an acre, which gives you plenty of room to expand. Special features include large rooms with tall ceilings, impact-resistant windows and sliders, and French doors that open out to the attached gazebo. The yard boasts lime trees, a mango tree, and coconut trees for your pleasure. This is a charmer, and no electric bills is an extra special bonus. Call today to book your viewing. Contact Laureen Williams, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in St. Croix, for more information on this listing.